Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome to Tea Time Tuesday. So we've been working on this little cute journal here and I will post the playlist up in the right hand corner here so you guys can come check it out. And today I want to do a fun little spread with you guys. So let's talk about what I got here. I have some 2x2-inch stencils, and you get 100 of them, and they're really cute. They have really nice springtime, summertime little flowers, butterflies, leaves, all kinds of stuff. I mean, they're really cool. And I will post this. I have them in my Amazon shop, and the links are down below to come check them out. This is the 100-piece one with the 2x2-inch. And I will post that in the right-hand corner too also, so you guys come check it out. And I got Distress Vintage Photo and some daubers here. Those will be down below. I have a set of 4, and then I have daubers with refills. A set of 4 of Distress Oxide. There's different, the linen, black soot, I think these are the ones that come with it. Walnut stain, antique linen, and black soot. I think these are it, and vintage photo. I think that's the set of 4. That's in the link down below. So we're going to use vintage photo today. And I got some cutters here. Just some rotary cutters. I got a pretty decorative one. And just a straight edge. And also my painty paper. I'll move these out of the way. Got some fun painty paper that I've been working on. I worked on with you guys, and I could post that link up here in the right hand corner so you guys come check it out. But somebody did ask me, well, what are you gonna do with the painty paper? So today I will show you one example of the one thing that you could do with this fun painty paper, and it's on deli paper is what it is. And I got 500 of them, and I got it down in the link below. So if you want to come check it out, it's really nice paper to work with, and it's really fun to play with. Okay, so we'll be using that today. We got our little journal here. Excuse me. And this is the fun stencil I wanted to use today, so let's just get to it. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day today. I'm getting out all your little tea time supplies here and seeing what we can make. All right, so I'm just gonna put this on here. So this is just a little tag that I coffee dyed, and then I did some fun tops of the tea bags and sewed them together. And I thought that would be a fun little flip out here. So these stencils are nice to use like in big projects with little projects. They're just really smooth and easy to do what you want with here. So that's turned out really cool. So just a little rose. A little springtime rose. Okay, I got my roses blooming right now too. Those all opening up outside. I'm gonna have to figure out a project to do with those. Okay, now with this, what I want to do is, I'll get my cutting mat here. Okay, and what I want to do is make a little glassine bag with you guys. So that's one thing you could definitely do with this deli paper. And, you know, little painty papers that we did. Okay, and we need a ruler. So I'm just guesstimating how big I want it. 1, 2, 3.5. Okay. So I'm gonna do it at 3. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect. And it's just gonna be a cute little bag here. I'm just gonna go all the way across with it, even if it's a little off. So let's see. And then you just want to kind of eyeball it and see how big you want your bag. And I just want it to be a little guy here. Okay. So we got that far. You got your little square that you want, or rectangle. And I'm going to cut the top here with my decorative one. And I'm going to go ahead and cut the bottom. Okay. Then you got this. Okay. Just like that. And I'm going to fold it how I want it. So I just thought this would be cute. And then you can look and see. And I'm still going to cut it down a little bit more, so I think this will work. So you just get your creases where you want it. Okay. And then I'm just going to cut like that and on the line. And I have a full version on how I make glassine bags. And I can post that over into the right-hand corner here. I'm doing this kind of fast, but I have a one where I make a bunch of them and show you guys, you know, precisely how to do everything. This is just the fast version of it. Okay. And I like to use the Art Glitter Glue. And I also have this down in my links too. Come check it out. Art Glitter Glue is amazing. If you're looking for a good glue. And I just did a glue video on explaining how I keep my glue and store it and have it like this. And easy access to get in and out. And what kind of glues I use and what for. So I can post that in the right hand up there, just so you guys can come check it out. And it just, you know, just a little informative. Because I've had lots of people ask me, how do you have your glue in there? How is that? So I figured I'd do a video on it. And then I just did a video on different kinds of glues that I use. And so, I mean, you can come check that out if you want. Why not? Just a little information. Maybe you didn't know, or, you know. I'd love in the comments if you knew something I didn't know for sure, you know. We're all learning here. That is why we're here, is to learn. I mean, no matter what, always going to learn. And I always want to learn, you know. Okay, let's see. And then there we go. There's also a cute little bag. Whoops. Let me throw things out of the way. Don't want this to dry up on me. Don't good old art to dry up on me here. Okay. And then we got a cute little bag. Oh, and then you can fold the front down like that. And like I said, if I went too fast for you guys, I can, you know, come check out the other video on how to make it. But I just thought it'd be fun to put a cute little bag in here. Why not? And you can even do it so you have a pocket in the back too, but I think I'm going to close it all off. Yeah, we don't need anything like that. So we'll just close it off. Because I don't want this little journal to be too bulky. Okay. And then let's find something. I'm going to find something to put in it. Let's see, I need some little stuff here. You can stick in there. And I love how you can just see through it too. See? So it's fun to use, like wax paper or parchment paper or, you know, fun little things like that. And then you can see through. Let's see, I think I have some vellum. Okay. So just put whatever you want in your little pockets here. Your little pocket. And there we go. So there we go. I think it turned out really good. And we got ourselves a cute little spread here, and I'll make sure to go out and get a nice picture at the end. You guys come check it out. So that was a fun little video there. And like I said, I'll make sure the playlist is up in the right hand corner so you guys can come get caught up with us. And if you could, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.